A scared 911 call from a child sent Florida deputies racing to a quiet neighborhood. Inside, they found two kids, just 3 and 6, home alone and frightened. What began as a welfare check quickly turned into a criminal investigation.
Amber ain't nowhere to be found.
Oh, it's tiny.
3 and 6.
Just watching Mario and they're by themselves.
Yeah.
It's wild.
Hello.
Are you Amber?
Yes.
Okay, what are we doing?
Go on. I had to run to the mailbox.
Where's the mailbox?
Right there. But my key wasn't working. Because she usually...
Definitely weren't there when we drove.
Yeah, we
She
just
usually checks
let's
the thing.
stop for a minute. You weren't at the mailbox. Okay, we've been in the neighborhood for like 15.
What happened? Who called?
Listen to me for a minute, okay? We've been in the neighborhood for 15 or 20 minutes. You ain't at the mailbox.
I really did go
Okay,
check the mail.
okay, you
And
might
then-
have.
Okay, I went to the
initially,
store.
And then where did we go?
And then she called me and I came right back.
Okay, what store did you go to?
Right there at the gas
I don't know what
station.
store you're talking about, right?
I know. No, I'm not from here. We just moved here, sir.
Okay, where do you move here from?
South Carolina.
Okay, what are the laws in South Carolina? You allowed to leave a 3-year-old and a 6-year-old home alone?
No,
You're not?
I'm not.
Okay, so you know better, right?
Yes.
That's unbelievable. And then you hang up on my deputy?
I didn't mean to. The thing lost me. And then it said no caller ID, so I was like, who is this?
Okay.
But yeah, that's my license. Their mom is on the
I'm
way.
just curious of your thought process. I've got a 3-year-old and a 6-year-old sitting inside and said somebody shot at their mom. Okay, hence, 5 deputies here.
Okay.
And there ain't an adult to be found.
I'm sorry, guys. I didn't know he was going to call and say that they shot
I don't
at their
care.
mom.
I mean,
I know,
come on.
I'm wrong.
Give me a minute, okay? You can hang tight. Hey, I'm hot about this. Hey, Jim, it's a felony. I'm not going to go to jail.
I'm with you. She got her daughter in the back.
How old's your daughter, man?
She's 11.
Huh?
She's 11.
Okay, here's your ID. Give us a couple minutes. Okay?
Why, if I sit back in the car?
You can hang tight right there for a minute.
You said I can't?
Yeah, that's fine. How far away is mom?
From Rivertown.
I got you.
Hey, take your 11-year-old.
I think she needs to go to jail, bro. It's a felony. If she was gone from the time came in to now, it's been 30 minutes. I have no idea how long. Huh?
Her.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I drove.
Not to mention she's going to hang up on you and then lie to everybody when she gets here. I mean,
She didn't know, so she had to come up with the mail in her hand, too.
yeah, no.
On purpose.
Hey,
You guys want the mailbox is at the front of the neighborhood.
I personally think she needs to go to jail. I mean, it's...
Child neglect.
Yeah, I mean, it's a felony. So...
Don't really necessarily want to do it in front of daughter, so.
No, and I don't disagree with that. But...
It's like taking your car to interview her.
Yeah.
I'll see if she wants to give me a sworn statement.
Yeah, we can go there. I mean, she's already done lied to us a couple times.
Probably gonna be
Probably mom.
Yeah, I need this. Can I see them real quick?
Yeah, you're good. Right.
You got this ball gun?
Yeah.
I think he's looking at himself.
Okay.
So this is crazy.
You're willing to give a sworn audio statement now?
Do I have to?
I'm just asking you, yes or no.
That's fine, sir.
Okay. Today's date is January 20th, 2024. The time is 11:29 a.m. I'm Deputy Klaus from St. Johns County Sheriff's Office. Law enforcement deputy conducting a criminal investigation. This interview is being conducted at I'm interviewing Amber Scott, correct? Persons present in this interview are myself, Amber, and Deputy Miranda. Before we get started, I'd like to confirm this statement is a voluntary statement that no one is threatening you, coerce you, or needs you to give the statement. Is that correct?
Yeah. If I don't, like, am I gonna go to jail or something?
I'm not saying. I'm just trying to get your side of what happened.
Yeah, I went to check the mailbox and I was headed to the store. And as soon as I left, I even have the thing. It was like alarm activity detected. Kendra called me and said the police are at the house. Please turn around.
Well,
And
I
I
still
came
got
back.
to ask you some things, okay? At this time, I'd like to place you under oath. This will be a sworn recorded interview taken by a law enforcement deputy pursuant to Florida State Statute 117.10. Please raise your right hand. Be sure and affirm the statement you're about to give will be truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yeah.
All right, put your hand down. Can you please state your full name and date of birth?
Yeah, that's good.
So right now we're doing a investigation, okay? So right now it could be child neglect just because the 6-year-old and 3-year-old live alone by themselves, okay? So I got to ask you a series of questions. I got to read you something, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to the lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions. If you have them with you during questioning. Do not afford the lawyer. One will be the felony for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer any questions without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to the lawyer. When there's still each of these rights, I'll explain to you.
Yes, sir.
With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
I guess it's gonna keep me out of jail.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, it's not whether or not it keeps you out of jail. I just need to ask you a few questions.
Scary.
Are you good to talk to me?
I'm just kind of like, this is crazy.
Okay. But I need a yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we're here because 3-year-old did in the process of doing that, she said something about a gun and possibly shooting her mother or something like that. So that's why we came here. That's why there's a lot of us here. When we got here, the 6-year-old opened the door. We checked the house. It was just him and her in there. Originally, what time did their mom leave?
Baseball, her son.
Okay.
So he left at like 9:30, I want to say, something like that.
Okay. And now, were you just planning on staying there to watch the rest of the kids?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I didn't want them to come out in the cold because it's cold, so I went to check the mailbox. And I was headed to the store, and then Kendra said, "Hey, the police are out the house. I need you to turn around and go."
So were you already on 210 when she called you?
210, yes, sir.
So by the pilot or past the TA, where we?
On 210, but further down on the left-hand side to that gas station. And then she called and she said, "Hey, Amber, the police is at the door."
Okay.
And you turn around.
So when I called you, why'd you say you were at the mailbox? Because she called you before I called you.
Yeah, she did call me before.
So why'd you tell me you were at the mailbox?
Because I guess it sounded better. But I did go to the mailbox. But yeah.
Earlier.
Yeah, I
You
did.
see what I mean? But when I called you, you said you're at the mailbox, and then the next thing I know, you hung up on me. Okay, so that's why we have concerns. So that at least you didn't leave my sergeant, my supervisor, other deputies, whatever, who weren't by the mailbox.
I understand that.
So the other thing is, you're gonna get mail. You have an 11-year-old daughter, right?
She should have stayed with
She could have stayed with them because she's older. She knows not to open doors for people or anything like that. Has a phone. So why didn't you just let your 11-year-old daughter stay there?
Stay with them because he was looking for a package.
And because heaven forbid, 6-year-old, 3-year-old, they do something, they get into
Next
it.
time she got to take them with her. I can't. No, not even my kid, but she got to take them with her next time.
So she just asked you this morning if you could watch them while she goes?
Yeah, something like that. She went upstairs. She left. I came downstairs. They was watching Coco Melon on the TV.
Yeah. There was communication where...
Yeah, I told her I'm leaving out to check the mailbox right quickly. I'm not sure if you guys heard that
Went off
when you came. So when I left, I said, "Hey, I'm leaving."
But no,
and it wasn't supposed to be like that long. It was supposed to be I know.
It doesn't take that long for heaven forbid something happens to them, someone breaks in, or someone does something else. Well, you said she was gone when you left today, but there was communication where just for you to watch it until she got back with her son practice.
Yeah, and then I said I'm going out right quick. And then I got a notification on my phone that said critical, and that's when she called and said, "Hey, the police are at the door."
So that's where our issue is right here. Okay, so that's my issue and everything like that. And we got a job to do and everything. So what we're looking at right now is child neglect. Okay. And unfortunately, even though you're not their kids, you were in charge of them while the mom's gone for watching them and everything like that. Because heaven forbid, say it was the other way around, you got a 6 and 3-year-old, how would you feel if that person left and left them alone and all the cops are here and everything?
But she knew that I left, but okay.
But
I get what you're saying. It's on me.
She's away and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything else you think you had right now?
No, sir, that's it.
At this time, I'd like to conclude the interview.
Thank
It's
you.
11:35.
Thank you.
All right. Do you have any family in the area?
No.
So unfortunately, you have to go with town. Okay? Falls on you. Are you okay with her just watching your daughter?
Yeah, can I talk to her, please?
Talk to your daughter?
Kendra
Yeah, over here. What I don't want
and my
to do.
daughter.
What I don't want to do is.
I got to give her my debit card so I can get bailed out and stuff.
What I don't want to do is, because you're doing handcuffs. Are you gonna be compliant with me?
Yeah.
You've been fine with me. I can put the handcuffs in the front. Do you want her to talk to you
Yeah,
real
tell her.
quick right now?
Yeah. Come on, Kendra. I'm going to jail.
Are you serious?
It's okay.
No.
Look, you got to find my TD.
Are you the boss?
It's up, Kendra. Just calm down. You got to find my TD bank card. You got to bail me out.
You're really going to take her to jail?
Yes, ma'am.
They're my kids.
And it wasn't on. But
They're my kids. Are you the
How are
boss? You're taking her to jail over my kids.
I mean, you're Do you want to talk to your daughter before or not?
Yeah, I'll talk to
Right
her.
here, man. Right here. Just tell her to come on. Where'd she go?
She went in the house.
You want to go tell her to come out real quick?
So, who's the boss? You are?
No, I'm the one working this call.
Hey,
My boss is over there.
maybe just take me. They're my children. They're not her kids. They're mine. I chose it was 30 degrees. That's why I did not take them with me to my son's practice.
Like I told you, I just ran up to the mailbox into the store.
Yeah,
and
and
more.
But it still falls on you because.
But they're
you were here
my
with the
kids. Can you just take me instead? She has a lot. Sir, can you take me instead? Are you serious? Sir,
Kendra, calm down.
Bodycam video shows deputies trying to piece together a shaky timeline. A caregiver, identified as Amber Scott, first said she'd run to the mailbox, then mentioned heading to a store. Officers flagged the inconsistencies. The mailbox wasn't nearby. The call was disconnected, and the kids had been alone for roughly half an hour, according to deputies on scene. Given the kids' ages, 3 and 6, deputies treated it as a high-risk situation. They Mirandized the caregiver, took a recorded statement, and pressed on the basic duty of any adult left in charge: you don't leave little ones alone. When the children's mother arrived, she pleaded to be arrested instead, but deputies noted responsibility lies with the adult, who was actually in charge at the time. With the facts on video and the 911 call from a child, deputies arrested the caregiver on suspicion of child neglect.
you guys are serious? Why not take me instead?
Kendra.
She was in charge.
But they're my kids. I'm in charge of my kids. I should have put them in the car. It's my fault. Just take me.
But when you left, she knew that she was responsible for him, man.
But they're my children.
No, but she was responsible for them at the
Hey,
time.
I will be responsible for them.
But she was at the time. I understand that they're your kids. I get that.
No. You gotta call my job too.
Fucking closet.
Money. That's what I'm doing.
You want her to have the money?
Get the money, Kendra.
Where's it at?
And let's start that.
This is. You guys are taking her to jail over my kids
That she was in charge.
that I'm in charge of.
She weren't home. She was, and she was in charge.
I'm in charge of my kids. Why can't you just take me if you got to take somebody?
She was in charge
I
of
will
the
go.
kids.
I will go to jail.
That's not what we're gonna do.
So you guys are gonna take the person that goes to work instead of taking me. I don't work. You could have took me.
Come on.
You're
She
not
was-
gonna take me.
She was the one in charge of the kids, though. I've told you that 3 or 4
Yeah,
times.
but they're my children.
Doesn't matter.
The caregiver was charged and ultimately received 3 years of probation. Probation spares jail time, but keeps the case active and the court supervision violated. And the penalties can escalate fast. Was that outcome fair for leaving a 3 and a 6-year-old alone? Or should the court have gone tougher? Tell us where you land and why.